Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the connection has timed out error in Windows 11. So firstly click on start, type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command ipconfig space slash flush DNS, then press enter. So type this command line ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Now you will see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now here type the second command line netsh winsock reset, then press enter. So you will see successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and you can resolve the connection has timed out error in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.